Meet Angela, the superintendent of Franklin School District. She's deciding where to allocate the resources for the upcoming school year. With input and anecdotal evidence coming from different sources in her learning community, it can be tough to figure out which investment or change will have the biggest impact on student outcomes. Does she need to prioritize teachers' needs? What about community feedback? She also has an intuition on what will move the needle, but isn't confident leaning just on gut feeling. With Abre, she gets the centralized, real-time data she needs to feel confident in her decisions. For instance, one of Angela's strategic goals is to enhance school safety by reducing negative behavior incidents. In one dashboard in Abre, she sees how many referrals are happening across her district. Now, Angela feels confident in deciding how to allocate time, budget, and people to improve student outcomes in this area. With the data to back up her decision to the community, Angela can hire more behavior specialists for the district, reallocate resources to spend more time with students, or invest in programming to help behavior specialists better work with students. Whichever decision she makes, Abre shows her data to see if the intervention is reducing behavior incidents, so she can double down or course correct as soon as possible. Abre centralizes all your data to support the whole child, from behavior to academics, readiness, well-being, and more. We tailor dashboards to your district, so you can see exactly what you need to make the best decision for your students and your district's goals. Start making more confident decisions to impact student lives with K-12's #1 modern data solution, Abre.